How to use lemons to cure dandruff. 1. Dandruff is an annoyingly common problem where the scalp becomes flaky. This leaves small white flakes of skin in the hair which often falls onto your clothing. 2. There are many medicinal shampoos you can use to get rid of dandruff, however there is a cheap and natural alternative using lemons. 3. Lemons were used as a natural treatment for the scalp before the birth of modern products and are just as effective. You will need 1 lemon and 1 cup of water. Method: squeeze the juice of the lemon into the water and mix well. Slowly pour the mixture onto your scalp a little at a time. Massage the scalp as you do this in circular motions with your fingers, applying more and more of the lemon water as you go. Do this for 5 minutes and then let it sit for another 5 minutes. Wash the hair with plain warm water and then cold water to seal the pores. Perform this treatment once per week and the dandruff will be gone in no time. 4. The lemon juice contains citric acid which destroys bacteria and fungi on the scalp. These microorganisms are what cause the dandruff in the first place. 5. Often oily hair will be prone to dandruff as it gives the bacteria a warm, damp place to grow. To avoid this, you may wish to use less conditioner and wash your hair at least 3 times per week. 6. Do not skip the final step in this method in sealing the scalp with cold water. Do this every time you have a shower. It also helps the cuticle in your hair to close, which seals in moisture and keeps the follicles strong. 7. Lemon juice also has a wonderful fragrance, leaving your hair smelling fresh, clean and wonderful. 8. If you prefer, you can use the juice of fresh limes instead. These are similar to lemons, yet are green and have a different aroma. 9. Do not leave the mixture on the scalp for more than 10 minutes, as this can cause the hair to lighten. 10. You can also use lemon juice as a natural deodorant, skin brightener, mouth gargle and more. Please see our lemon remedies playlist at the end of the video. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.